Hi there. Recognize these guys? Of course you do. They are the Dueling Ghosts from the Haunted Mansion. Well, I've decided to give my small bathroom a sort of Haunted Mansion inspired makeover. I didn't want it to have the same purple wallpaper and other things that some people have already done very successfully. I wanted to kind of give it my own spin. And I wanted to kind of give it my own spin on these two guys. And to do that, I'm going to take you through the process of makeup and costumes and photography. A lot of computer editing to try and make it as close to a painting as possible. So come along, enjoy, and maybe even be inspired to make one yourself. Welcome. So, to execute this project, I need a dueling partner. So I invited my friend Randy, and I'm about to get my mustachio just a little bit more old-timey. So we have used a little makeup to enhance our facial thing. I think I look more like a bad 80s magician, and you look sort of like a riverboat gambler.
I'll say.
Yes, well, on-demand satisfaction, sir.
I cannot believe the things that have happened to me today.
I need a glove so I can be like, whack!
No.
You, sir, whack!
You.
Anyway, we're about to get in the car, head out to the costume shop, and make this Disney fantasy come true. We drove to Tarzana to the Etoile Costume and Party Center to take this virtual journey to the mid-1800s when duels were strangely quite common. So we are here with Nina, who's going to get us all dolled up today. Can you tell us a little bit about Etoile?
Hi, so this is Etoile Costume and Party. We have a huge range of just everything you can possibly imagine. We have purchase costumes, but we also have theatrical quality rental costumes. Whatever your costume needs are, we have it.
We set up an impromptu photo studio over by the belly dancing costumes and the fake butts, I kid you not. And we tried to channel our most devious, derelict, despicable duelist. Give me the smuggest smile you can. Like, put that bottom lip out when you do it. You are one sexy... All right. Nina has been so kind to get us all dolled up in this Dickensian nightmare that is in front of us right now. What's your favorite part of the Haunted Mansion?
Ooh, definitely not the line to get in, but...
Is there a bar? Wait, no, there's no bar.
Yes. And so, Nina, what period are we doing? What exactly are we wearing here?
I would definitely say this is about 1840s, definitely Dickensian.
Okay, yes. And he is wearing, what has he got around his neck? That is a...
This is a jabot or an ascot.
Yes.
Yeah.
A Mérite Francois jabot.
They just like to tie some crazy stuff around their necks and into weird shapes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, I'm excited to get this on and see how it turns out. And big thank you to Etoile. Come check it out. Well, the photo shoot was fun, but now the real work begins. Now I have to take the original paintings and sample as much of the background as I can to sort of paint them out, and then cut out our new photos and lay them into the environments. And to give them sort of a photo look, I followed this tutorial I will link to at the bottom. It's too many steps to explain, but it did a pretty good job of keeping our actual features while giving it some brush strokes and evening our skin out like a painting. Since this is the 3-stage lenticular, I'm keeping the background the same and just putting 3 different steps of us being surprised, looking around, and being shot by the other person. So I sent the images off to China, and a few weeks later, I have the results. Okay, so I went for the 3-frame lenticular. Let's see, oh, they packed it nice. Oh, all right, here we are. So, here's me first. Ta-da! Not bad. Okay, so that's me looking like I'm ready to get into trouble. Oh! See something? And yes, the fire with the little fire coming out of the gun and the hat backwards, getting a very palpable hit. Not bad. All right, so let's take a look at the other one. Oop. Oh, nice. All right. So here we go. So here he is. This would be back to back like that. Looking and then fire, and his hat gets blown off. Well, not bad. I am pretty happy with these. It's funny. It looks like I turn to shoot him and he turns to shoot me. And anyway, I guess maybe if we were in the same plane, it would do better. Anyway, well, I can't wait to put it up in my haunted bathroom. But in the meantime, this is something you definitely can do and have a lot of fun with. Enjoy, create, and have a little Halloween every day.